Today, because I'm gonna play is Slime RNG. This is a pretty popular game. This is gonna be pretty good. Yeah, this is our first one. We go on a three. That's not that good. Yo, pets. This is pretty fun. Yes, I can roll again. This is pretty thing. Oh, what is that? What? Hey, I get better stuff. I get better slime. You're dookie. You do it. Upgrade. Backpack. Bye. So, this is crazy. Dude, slime. Just your backpack. Oh, there is. Kill other slimes. It's pretty cool stuff. Can we unlock it? Can we? We need to. For real? We can go again. Okay. 2 times luck. Okay, that's pretty good. 4 times luck. Bucket. Big cookie. Big cookie. We need the oral. We need. You love. Goofy. Bird again. Enemies. Game is very fun, guys. Game is very fun. Wait, let me just keep this gun. I need. Oh, wait, I can only. It's 2 and at a time. It is pretty good. That is something. Oh, I can hide to the like leafy. Yeah, the back. What is that? I can just do this. Okay, I have $1. Like here. Yeah, this game is pretty fun. How can I hit this guy? My luck will go up. So that's what we get. Yo, that is very better. 4x. 1 in 719. I thought that was like 1 in 1,000, but this is pretty good. It's pretty good. I can replace it with that guy. It's my best. Goopy. Yeah, that's not that great. Leafy, not that good either. What? Automagy. Yes, pretty sweet. What is this? What is this? 1,000 extra bonus for you? Oh, who's giving? Oh, okay. I didn't got it, but I got something very. This is my best. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. You can take it back. It's a good feature. 2x. Oh, glow? Yeah, that's not that good. Items on. Guys, can unlock it now. A lot more money. Money is. This guy's dookie. Hello, dude. What are you doing? Buggy? What's up? What? 16x? Oh. Eh? What? Eh? Oh, this is save. Save worker. That is not how I want it. Yeah, we can reboot if we get this guy 500. No, we need. More Goop. His name is Goop. What do you want to say? Best. Doesn't need him. Doesn't need. You can upgrade though. Golden rolls we like to buy. Like I like it so much. Pretty good rolls, but I will also buy it. More clovers? What is it? It's 6K right now. That motion. We'll buy it. Where is it? Where is it? Is it in my inventory? Items? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Ah, there. Go back. Who's player? Where's this? Slime saucer. I isn't. How can I give it? How can I give it back? What is this cheese? Okay. There is something that I doesn't know at all, but for no reason, that is us. We can buy these 3 enemies. It 4 slime slots. We got 3 slime slots and we got Gobi. Where are you? Here's Gobi. This guy. Can we get 5? There's some left. And 3 1. Wait, come here. I'm going to die. Oh, I can get. There we are. Hey, you. Yeah. It's one of best. It's not our best, but it's second best. എന്താ